Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to make the scroll bars on your Mac always visible. By default, they only show up when you start scrolling, but you can change that so they're always on. Let's get started. Open a Finder window. Notice how, when you click on something like Applications, there's no scroll bar at first. It only appears while you're scrolling, then disappears again. To fix this, click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings. In the sidebar, scroll down and click Appearance. Here find the option labeled Show Scroll Bars. By default, it's usually set to automatically based on mouse or trackpad. To keep the scroll bars visible all the time, change this setting to Always. Now if you go back to Finder, you'll see the scroll bar is permanently visible, making it much easier to navigate through long lists or folders. And that's it. Just switch the setting to Always, and your scroll bars will never disappear again.